This is Zhangjiajie Airport. It's a nice, clean, and small airport, no? It's beautiful, ano? Paglabas, ang ganda ng ayan, welcome dance. Diba? Das paglabas mo, ang ganda ng tanawin, ano? Beautiful view. And this is the snap given by our tourist guide. They even have a beautiful dance for tourists, no? Ayan, and that is the central district of Zhangjiajie. It's called the Yongding district, no? It's where the shopping area is, uh, restaurants, shops, and everything. Commercial, banking, and finance. This is the market. And the little girl bought me that green one. Yes, that's round green one because I don't have money. She bought me the food because I don't have Chinese money. And it was delicious. Their native food is delicious, no? That one. It's like suman in Filipino. There, small and round. They even have a version of I don't know what food it is.
Yeah, what is that? Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. I don't understand you, mother. Thank you. See ya.
This area is near People's Square, okay? That small market is near People's Square. And behind me is the Zhongjiang Square. And underground me is the underground city of shopping. And I guess that's another shopping mall, okay? That is the underground city. And the tourist guide told us that you'll spend a day going around to shop there. If you want to go around there, if you want to go around there, complete going around there, you'll spend a whole day, okay? Nauutal ako, meron atang sumanib na naman sa akin. Napaka-brutal ng mga nandito, sungit nilang mga tao. Natitense yung likod ko sa muscle ko, sa paa ko.
It's a very long
Kaya
underground
sa gabi,
shopping
pagod na
area.
pagod ako.
What's the name of this shopping
Nagre-record
area?
lang. Ayan oh.
What's the name?
Mabait naman yung bata.
Name.
Diba?
Yeah, because I just came here from Beijing. Name of this shopping area. Name of this place. The name is Underground Shopping Mall. Thank you so much. Yan. Ay, ako. So there, Underground Shopping Mall. I don't even know it. I haven't heard our guide earlier. Hi, mother. Mm.
光临智商科技，本店品牌高清钢化膜只要10元了。本店主营手机拼膜、手机快速换屏、手机回收、二手手机买卖、手机外壳、手机解锁、儿童电话手表。
Yan, isang shopping center yun, mga very cheap goods, okay? That's another shopping area, you see? I think you can buy wholesale there and bring it here to the Philippines. That is, I guess that's a People's Square, okay? People's Street. That's near there. I don't know what was she singing earlier. That's the wet market, right? Fresh fresh goods market. They have sidewalk vendors. Talagang natitense yung likod ko dito, pa ako sa muscles ko sa paa, nauutal ako. Napaka-brutal ng nandito sa DNL building to. Grabe. Ilang taon nilang ginagawa sa akin. That's the Nanku Ancient City. That's a failed investment of Zhangjiajie City, ano? Pero it's a beautiful place. Ang ganda. I separated from the group because I want to see the place, no? Because my group wants to go around and shop lang. But me, I want to see the place. That's why I separated. Gusto nila mag-shopping lang. Ako gusto kong tignan talaga yung lugar. And it's what's nice. It's worth it to separate from them. Kasi masyado rin silang toxic. Parinig ng parinig yung iba. Kaya daw ako nagkaroon ng mga galis-galis. Dahil sa stress ko sa mga ganong tao, lalo na pati nandito sa DNL at mga kabahay ko. Oh, ang ganda. Pakinggan nyo to.
I'll try to taste the local food here that the girl bought for me in the market when I was looking at this one, and she asked me, "Can I help you? I want to buy, but I don't have money. I don't have Beijing money." So she paid this for me, okay? In the market, I'll show you the pictures later. Mm-hmm. It's like a sticky rice. It's grilled with seafood filling. I don't know. It's something fishy and chili, but for me it's delicious. It's exotic. Mm-hmm. I have to rush. They are waiting for me again. Kuno. By the way, that is the river here, and that's the view, the riverbank view. Okay. Beautiful, no? It's a very scenic view. It's a very scenic view for a town, right? I really have to go. At least you've seen the town, a part of the town.
Ayan. Ganda, no? Oh, nice view, di ba? It's worth it to sit still, tapos magmuni-muni lang. Ang ganda, di ba? Pero demonyo talaga ang mga nandito. Mag-isa ko na nga lang dito, ha? Meron pa rin silang ginagamit, pero nila yung ginagamit nila para patigasin yung shoulders ko, yung pagurin yung paa ko. Grabe. It's just from that square mula dyan sa mall na yan. That is the Zhongjiang Square, ha, yung mall na yan, which is not so beautiful. Mga 15-minute walk lang. Ayan. So, 15 minutes walk out mula doon sa pinanggalingan kong Zhongjiang Ancient City to that Nanku Ancient City to Zhongjiang Square is 15 minutes only or 10. So there. Ano pa bang, what should I say first? What else should I say? Yeah, that is the ancient city, the southern gate, okay? So as you will see later, makikita nyo na it's really nice and beautiful. Unfortunately, nag-close na yung mga shops kasi wala nang masyadong tourist kasi mas gusto nila mamaya doon sa natural tourist spots na maganda at ang ganda-ganda. Beautiful tourist spots, the Heaven's Gate, the Chanmen Mountain, yun ang gusto nilang puntahan, not commercial areas. And then the restaurants, bawat restaurant na kainan namin may kanya-kanyang version ng Peking duck. And the food here in Zhangjiajie is yan palagi silang may omelette. The food here in Zhangjiajie and mushrooms, ha? Palagi silang may mushrooms, kada restaurant. And the food here in Zhangjiajie is better than in Beijing. Ayan, they always have soup, palagi silang may soup. Kasi yung food nila dito sa Zhangjiajie, may native twist, parang smoky, na may fermented, which is unique. Unlike in Beijing, it's bland sa Beijing.
Chili sauce, chili and soy sauce.
Yeah, signature flying kiss ko yan.
The Hunan local food is especially spicy.
As the kid told me, they always have omelette, ha? As the kid told me in Beijing, she likes their food better kasi she's from the province, no? And she likes the food better in their province than in Beijing. And this is the night scene in the ancient city, no? The Nankou ancient city. Yung mga parang nagtataybo ata. I don't know their dance. Oh, you see, it's beautiful. The light pa lang, no? There, that's a southern gate. That's the Lishu River. Nagmumuni-muni yung mga tao, tumatambay lang. Kasi it's cool in night. In the day, it's very hot. Kasi it's summer, I guess. Mm-hmm.
酸梅汤，杨梅冰汤圆，鸡两混，金钱酒，绿豆沙，酸梅汤，杨梅冰汤圆。
There, syempre nagsiselfie ako. Alone, I'm using selfie stick to take pictures of mine kasi kanya-kanya kami with the group. Right?
世界圆圆圈圈，甜甜黏黏甜甜的我，是想看你的脸，生气的温柔，埋怨的温柔的脸，不懂爱变请求煎熬的我。
There, you see, as you can see the people, no? Nice, no? Busy ang mga taong nagmumuni-muni. Spending with their family. As you can see, there are many kids. Kaya kayong mga ama't ina, ang kakapal nyo, ha? Ipasyal nyo mga anak nyo. Pag yung ano pang personal love affair nyo, pangangabit nyo ang inaatupag nyo. Keme! Baka na balikan na naman nila ako. Yung mga nagzuzumba dyan. Chos! And that's our hotel. It's a nice hotel. Yung video niya earlier nilagay ko. So mag-subscribe kayo ha at paki-like naman kahit hindi very professional yung videos ko. I'm just a starting vlogger, so you know, there's a part of the expressway, G65 expressway nila, ha. from Baotao Maoming Expressway. Yan, punta kami sa Wuling Yuan National Park. A beautiful place. Yeah, sa next video ko makikita niyo yung Wuling Yuan National Park. It's a beautiful place. Okay? Just enjoy the scenery ng mga ganyan.